Official announcement by the People's Government of Mozambique. Urgent measures by Venancio Mondlane. Summary of the live broadcast. Sanapina mashoko atuna kuti aiwa Venancio Mondlane oita live broadcast achisa ma-urgent measures. Sanapina mashoko anobuda itogwa panapa paende Justice Frontline anodiwa subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Anobena vachiti justice and human rights measures. Number 1, immediate end to violence against the population. Number 2, conditional release of around 4,000 detained protesters. Number 3, free medical assistance for those injured or disabled by police brutality. Number 4, financial compensation of up to 200,000 MZN for families of state repression victims. Economic and social measures. Extension of the toll exemption for an additional 3 months. Free potable water supply for the entire population over the next 100 days. Cement price cap at a maximum of 300 MZN per bag. Number 8, end to police and customs extortion, combating corruption in public service. Number 9, VAT exemption on basic goods. Free community elections, depoliticization of the state. Controversial and retaliatory measures. Education and infrastructure measures. Development and entrepreneurship support measures. Ultimatum, return and protest. Ndo mashoko atuna kuti Venancio Mondlane aiwa ndo brief ye broadcast yakapa atikona ari kupa ma-measures ese aya in all the sectors achiti aiwa izvi zvinoita vagari venyika yeMozambique aiwa vasununguke. Chiona achikupa nzeta, chiona achida kuisa ma-fixed price achiti ndoda kuzviita in the next 100 days. Mashoko anenge achiadreswa naVenancio Mondlane watoona kuti aiwa mukomana uyu ndiye atikuona kuti ari kudominata nyika yeMozambique ende vanhu vese vari kumuda. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.